Hi there. In this video, I am going to give you a template which will guarantee your band 8 in speakings. You just follow it because it has effective ideas along with impressive vocabulary in well-planned way. And at last, I shall tell you why this speaking solution scores band 8 easily. So watch this video till the end and let us start with solution. One memorable occasion when I lost something in public was about 6 months ago. It was when I misplaced a pair of expensive sunglasses gifted to me by my best friend on my birthday. They were not only stylish but also carried a lot of sentimental value, making them truly irreplaceable. I lost them during a weekend outing at a busy park. It was a sunny afternoon. I had taken the sunglasses off while sitting on a bench to enjoy some ice cream. I placed them on my lap, but in my recklessness, I forgot about them. When I stood up to leave, they must have fallen to the ground, but I didn't realize it at that time. The moment when I discovered they were missing, I retraced my steps. I checked the bench, the nearby bushes, and even asked a people if they had seen them. I also went to Park's lost and found office, but unfortunately, no one had turned them in. Despite my all efforts, I couldn't locate them. I felt a mixture of emotions: disappointment, frustration, and guilt. Disappointment because they were expensive, and frustration because I had been careless. Most of all, I felt guilty because they were a thoughtful gift from someone dear to me. Losing something so significant taught me to be more mindful to my belongings. Since that day, I have made it a habit to double check my things before leaving my place. This incident, though upsetting, was a valuable lesson in being responsible to my belongings. So let's come to the speaking assessment of the given sample. So first assessment parameter is fluency and coherence. This task scores 7.5 in fluency and coherence because this response has fluency with minimum hesitation and pauses. The ideas are logically organized, flowing naturally from one point to another, linking with words like while, but, despite, and the response stays on topic and provides a detailed account of the incident. Then we have lexical resource. A wide range of vocabulary is used such as irreplaceable, retraced my steps, sentimental value, recklessness, and thoughtful gift. Precise words and phrases convey emotions effectively such as disappointment, frustration, and guilt. Idiomatic expressions like double check my things are used naturally. Then, grammatical range and accuracy scores 8. The grammar is accurate with varied sentence structures such as complex and compound sentences like, and in pronunciation, there is score of 7.5 because it is clear and understandable throughout the response. So finally, with help of these tips, I'm sure that you guys are going to crack 8 bands in speakings. So that's all in this video. Bye bye, and I'll see you in next video. Praveen Khanna is signing off. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and don't forget to share this response with your friends.